guys, welcome back to the latest episode of the Project F150 build. I'm actually just here to pick up the first mod that I'm going to be doing aesthetically to the truck. I'll show you guys in a little bit what it is. So basically we're going to be replacing the grill. So I'm just gonna check it out right now. Yeah.
Hi, Kuya Jerry.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm alright.
Show him his face.
Yeah.
It's this one, right? Yeah. So it's the Ford Raptor grill.
So do you have to take this out?
Yeah, they're just basically
right?
screws, and you just replace them. You know what's crazy is that this came today too. Amazon.
Oh, yeah,
it's in the back. So
it's
I'm
for
just
the
gonna
back?
I'm just gonna put this in the back. Basically just removing this right now and then unhide so we can ruin the grill. I'm the noob, so I get to do the simple stuff. I removed the letters, and then I'm gonna be putting the other letters, which is F and R.
Hey! Tito, how are you?
It's not good.
Hey,
I'm no seeing.
you're looking younger every time.
Oh, thank you very much. That's
It's the haircut.
Yeah, this
it's the haircut. He did his haircut. He did my haircut. Yeah. Wow.
This is the good thing about having a mechanic as a friend.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Before and after. Yeah, and then we're gonna screw it Where's the bolts for that? This one, right? Right.
Oh, you're so annoying. Shouldn't pose with it. You're such a weirdo.
Let's see it. Put it down on there. That looks sick. Looks sick, man. Black on black. Alright guys, so just a quick overview again. That is how the grill looks like now, from how it looked like before. And then now I replaced it with this Raptor grill, kind of a replica of the Raptor grill. I think it looks pretty sick. Kind of goes with the theme of what I'm going with. All black, pretty much blacked out. Still thinking of fixing that one as well too, but that's gonna be in another video. And then from the back, you can barely see it, but I did change the emblem to black on black as well too. If you look there. I know, my hair's kind of messed up. Only thing we have left is connecting the LED lights for the grill. Unfortunately, we don't have the proper items to connect the lights, LED lights, with the fuse or even the daytime running light. So we're gonna be doing that tomorrow.
The next day.
All right, Jerry's here, day 2. Basically what we're doing is we're making it look cleaner. Put it basically inside there. And we're trying to hide it. Do a wire tuck somehow. And then we're gonna zap strap it and then connect it with the right headlight. And here's the finished product. You can see the lights are on. It's connected to the daytime running light right there. You can barely see it on. Yeah, it's connected to that one. This actually matches the daytime running light, which is pretty cool. Oh man, that looks sick. Cannot wait until the exterior is all fixed up the way I want it. Anyways guys, that will do it for the video. Really happy with the look of the grill. More modification exterior wise is going to be happening to the truck coming up in the next couple of videos, and I'm excited. Anyways guys, if you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell so that you guys don't miss any of the new episodes that are coming up. Anyways guys, until next time, stay awesome.